Good afternoon, Gavin Knox here from Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have an update on our new Generation 10 system designed for engines up to 5 litres. We now have the terminals for these cells going through the top of each of those booster cells. Each booster cell 1, 2 and 3 is designed to use 4.4 volts. So 3 times 4.4, 13.2 volts being used. There is no wasted energy. Your battery will produce 13.2 to 13.6 volts. This is running at 18 amps. Currently it's actually running at less voltage. It's running at 10.97 volts and 26.1 amps. Gas production is 2 litres a minute at the present time. Increasing the voltage and reducing the current will increase the gas production. This unit is an advancement on the previous year's Generation 10 systems. All the plates now are MIG welded together to ensure greater security and better electrical connection. There's no bolts inside now. Everything is actually MIG welded together. Terminals also are on the top rather than the front, which means that the cells are more compact. New power supply and new pumping system improves the system even further. We have 3 litres of water inside the cell here. There's 3 litres of distilled water or 3 litres of rainwater, and 18 grams, that's 18 grams of potassium hydroxide will be enough for that to get sufficient electrolysis to produce sufficient hydrogen for your vehicle up to 5 litres. This is designed for an engine up to 5 litres. There's a new Generation 10 cells here. That's again all MIG welded now. New terminals on the top, which are better than they were before because everything is MIG welded to the terminals, and the terminals are held in position by nickel-plated, chrome-plated cable glands. Very, very efficient system. This is powered by it's currently powered by an external power supply, and it's run through a 50 amp Anderson plug mounted on the back of the system. What else can I say? Nothing much else. Apart from here is the Generation 15 system with the new terminals. Again, the new terminals here, nickel-plated cable glands on top, rather than having these terminals on the front. It makes it much more compact having the terminals on the top of the unit. Okay, I can be contacted on 040 317 7183. My email is glknox11@live.com or glknox@dodo.com.au. Webpage is http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. This is my latest development. Makes it much greater productivity for the gas production for a vehicle up to 5 litres. It handle it more than easily. Okay, hope to speak to you soon. Goodbye.